Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 30th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir just having a little bit of a pullback here. So we are down 32 cents, 2.25%, closed at 1388. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we are still inside this upper channel right here. So this has not changed. So that's the good news. And yesterday we barely broke the first resistance at 1418. And we have a second one to break at 1442. And we could not break it today. We came very close to it. So we tested it and we came back down even lower than 1418. So Palantir is really taking into consideration our double resistance. They are still a force to be reckoned with. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how the day played out. So we opened a little bit lower than where we closed yesterday. So we opened lower, but then came back higher, broke 1418. During the second hour, we came back underneath it, and look at this precision here. For the third and fourth hour, we came pretty much right on 1418 and tried to break it, and we could not succeed. We came down to 1374, a support that we had used not too long ago. Let me change the colors on this. And for the last hour, we have a green candle here. So I like to see this. At the end of the day, I like to see an increase in volume here. This is telling me that the buyers are coming in nicely and we are coming close to the support here. So it would make sense that the volume comes back in and that the stock tries to go a little bit higher, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Let's go back to the daily chart. I'm going to remove my nice 4-year-old drawings. So in terms of stochastic, we are still pretty high at 88. So lots of force in the stock. We have the two lines of MACD crossed over positive. So this was the last reason why we had this downward red thumb down. So now everything is thumbs up. I'm repeating myself, but it would just be fantastic to break these two resistance here, break this downward resistance, and just have the stock just fly up. So this would be really great. And we are very close to seeing that with the indices super good, with all of our indicators super good. We are very close to see this happening. Let's hope it happens. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.